Hello everyone, today we're going to be making some dog tags. So first I'm going to put some text in the middle and decide what I want to do. And I'm thinking I'm going to do my favorite character ever, Elsa. I'm going to put that in the middle. Alright. And right now what I'm going to do is put some bubble around it so it could engrave the outside and leave the inside of the name not engraved, and it's just the outline. So I'm just going to leave it blank, which is the best mode I like. Now I want to see if I want to change the font to anyone. So you click up here and maybe you want a different font or anything, but make sure, you see how it's not matching up with the bubble? Make sure to do it before you bubble it up so it can match with the bubble outside of the letters. I'm going to center it for now because I'm going to put dog tag in the middle and see how big, and if I need to make it bigger or if I want it smaller. And I'm also going to make sure to put the correct settings before I start anything. Alright, now that I have the correct settings and everything, I'm just going to frame it and make sure it's as big as I want it. And it fits in the dog tag. Okay, this seems good. Double check my settings. I'll also make sure to put this in fill, guys, so that it bubbles the outside and leaves the inside not engraved. And I'm going to double check again that it's how I want it. Make sure to check it fits and it's how you want it exactly. Alright, now I'm going to do Alt-P and you can check how long it's going to take. So right now I'm going to put it in the bottom right corner because that's where I'm going to put my dog tag because I centered it there. So now I can start it and begin the laser. Okay, here we have the name tag that we just engraved. And now we just have to put these beads in the hole and that's it. Okay, so you see we have to put the bead in the little container here. And it's done.